The Future, by Naomi Alderman. Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that the world, the governments, the economy, your data, your movement, even what you think, wasn't controlled by nations, laws, or democracy, but by only 4 men. 4 men with money infinite enough to topple countries. Data deep enough to predict human behavior. Technology powerful enough to rewrite what humanity becomes. This is the world of the future, where collapse isn't coming, it's already here. Welcome to this deep dive into Naomi Alderman's speculative techno-thriller The Future, a bold story about power, technology, and the terrifying possibility that the world may not fall, but be managed into collapse by the individuals we trusted to innovate it. This video will take you through the entire story, the characters, the technology, the downfall of civilization, and the spark of rebellion that rises against a machine-driven world. Sit back, stay alert, because the future begins now. Part 1: The World Under the Tech Giants. The novel paints a near-future Earth ruled not openly, but quietly and efficiently, by 3 massive corporations. 1. Fantail, run by Ellen Bywater. A company controlling data, metrics, behavior prediction, apps and attention. 2. Meddler, run by Lenk Sketlish. Controlling consumer shopping, supply chains, purchasing habits and desire itself. 3. Anvil, led by Zimri Namik. A corporation possessing the world's security, infrastructure, defense AI and survival systems. In this world, governments make speeches. But the tech CEOs make decisions. Because people don't vote with ballots anymore. They vote by clicking, buying, scrolling, subscribing. Every phone, every purchase, every GPS ping feeds the machine. The question isn't whether tech rules the world. It's who survives inside the world tech has built. Part 2: The characters who spark the revolt. Into this world enter 4 central characters, each different, each holding a piece of the coming storm. Martha Einkorn. A former insider, once loyal to tech, now questioning everything. She can see the cracks forming, and fears what comes next. Lai Jin. A fitness influencer who becomes prey in the global surveillance network. She represents the everyday citizen, visible, trackable, vulnerable. Badger. A coder, hacker, and rebel mind. He doesn't want to destroy the system, he wants to outthink it. Herbert. Loyalist turned skeptic, navigating morality inside the machine. And then, the powerful. The tech titans. Ellen, Lenk, and Zimri, brilliant, terrifying, and deeply human in their ego. They believe they are saviors, not dictators. They believe the world will collapse, climate, politics, economics. And only they can build the ark. Not for everyone. Not even for most. Just enough people for a controlled, profitable future. The world's fate is not a catastrophe. It's a business plan. Part 3: The plan to escape the end of the world. Hidden behind their corporate empires, the tech billionaires have a secret strategy known internally as the Future Project, a plan to abandon the collapsing world and retreat into fortified, fully automated survival compounds. These aren't bunkers, they're replacement worlds. Islands designed like closed ecosystems. Climate-controlled. Food, water, medicine, automated. Defense systems, AI-driven and lethal. A paradise, but only for those worth saving. Everyone else? They'll be left behind. The Future Project isn't about protecting humanity. It's about protecting power. Part 4: When control becomes inescapable. Lai Jin becomes the target. Because she knows something she shouldn't. She sees the surveillance net tightening. One wrong move online, one search, one post. And suddenly, she's a threat. Her chase is the audience's window into how invisible control has become. We don't fear what we cannot see. But the cameras see us, always. Meanwhile, Martha Einkorn begins collecting evidence. Proof that the CEOs intend to abandon the world. Proof that collapse is scheduled, engineered, controlled. Civilization won't fall naturally. It will be switched off. All it takes is 3 men to decide no more internet. No more power grid. No more global trade. The world is a machine. And they have the password. Part 5, Building a Revolution. Martha, Jin, Badger, Herbert, different origins, same realization. If the world is controlled by tech giants, then the only way to free humanity is to outcode them. Not tanks. Not armies. Not governments. Code versus code. System versus system. The revolution isn't fought in streets. It's fought in servers. A rogue AI is created. Data nodes are infiltrated. Networks are copied, destabilized, mirrored. The aim is not to destroy technology, but to redistribute power. The fight is philosophical. Should a future be chosen by a few? Or should everyone carry the right to survive it? Part 6, The Collapse Event. The moment arrives. Infrastructure begins failing, supply chains freeze, comms black out, markets crash. Humanity spirals into panic. But behind the chaos is order. Behind fear is strategy. Behind collapse is intent. The CEOs flee to their luxury sanctuaries. With enough comfort to last centuries. Enough technology to rebuild the world. Without the people. They see themselves as Noah. But they forget, the ark only saves those on board. Humanity is meant to drown. Part 7, The Counterstrike. But the revolutionaries are already inside. The future is not predetermined, it is hackable. Martha hacks fantail systems. Badger infiltrates Meddler's logistics grid. Jin dismantles surveillance AI. Herbert triggers counter failsafes in Anvil defense servers. And then, they turn the billionaire compounds against their owners. Technology belongs to everyone, or it belongs to no one. A survival ecosystem can sustain life. So life will be shared. Not hoarded. Not gated. Not priced. The gates open. Broadcasts go global. Secrets flood the world. The myth of control dies in one moment of truth. The future cannot be owned. Part 8, The New Future of Humanity. The collapse does not destroy civilization. It resets it. Without centralized tech overlords, humanity rebuilds slower, messier, more human. Communities grow. Power decentralizes. Technology remains, but distributed, shared, accountable. The future is not perfect. But it is free. And in the end, Naomi Alderman shows us something profound. The danger is not technology. The danger is power without accountability. Humanity does not fall because machines rise. Humanity falls when machine benefits outweigh human ethics. But we can rewrite that. We can claim the future back. Because the future is not a place we enter. It's a world we create. Together. The greatest question is not whether the future will arrive, but who will own it. In Alderman's world, the answer almost belonged to 3 men. But power shifts, empires fall, and humanity rises when ordinary people refuse to be spectators. The future is not built by corporations. not carved by billionaires. Not coded by the wealthy. The future is ours, if we choose to claim it. If you enjoy book summaries, dystopian fiction, and deep analysis of modern technology, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, subscribe for more weekly summaries.